charge of motor vehicle homicide, which is a severe charge. And it has serious consequences if he's convicted.
That's Philip Winola's lawyer talking after the arraignment of his client in Waltham District Court last week. The 19-year-old Waltham man pleaded not guilty to a motor vehicle homicide charge in connection with the tragic death of 9-year-old MacArthur Elementary School student Daniel Raymundo in May. Winola's attorney disagreed with the charge, which was handed down by a clerk magistrate.
He made a finding of probable cause based on the evidence, and that's a very thin threshold.
Authorities allege that Winola, who was delivering pizzas at the time, ran a stop sign at Adams and Walnut Streets and struck this Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep flipped on its side, and Daniel Raymundo and his mother, 29-year-old Ana Pena Rivera, were ejected. Raimundo was killed and his mother suffered serious injuries. Police said that neither was wearing seat belts. Court documents show that alcohol, speed, sun glare, and texting were not factors in the collision. So what if Daniel had been strapped in?
He'd still be alive today.
Pena Rivera was not charged. Monahan said his client has not reached out to her, but he feels badly about what happened.
He's traumatized by the situation. He feels badly for the fact that he was involved in an accident where someone was killed.
Winola was not injured in the crash, but court documents show he's had run-ins with the law even since the tragic accident. In June, police were summoned to an apartment on Hope Avenue after Winola's father, Mark, heard items being thrown against a wall and breaking glass during an argument Philip had with a friend. Mr. Winola told police he was, quote, afraid of his son because of his temper, and locked himself in his bedroom before dialing 911. He was granted an emergency restraining order against Philip, who was charged with wanton destruction of property over $250. Back in September 2009, not far from the family apartment, Philip Winola was caught on Prospect Street with two $20 bags of marijuana and a digital scale. He was charged with possession of a Class D substance with intent to distribute. After his latest charge last week, Winola was released on personal recognizance. For now, his lawyer says he's working full-time at a job that requires no driving and trying to put the accident behind him. His next hearing is on January 19th. For Waltham Newswatch, this is Chris Wangler.